Hello everyone, I'm Jocelyn. Today I'm going to talk about the usability report for the app I designed, Trip for Fun. I'm building this app for young people aged from 20 to 35. Its purpose is to help people find places to visit, things to do, make reservations, connect and share with other travelers. Here is exclusive summary. I built this app for the iOS system, used Adobe Photoshop and InVision to make the prototypes. I did the usability tests on April 6th. Its purpose is to determine the usability strengths and weaknesses of the app. Here are some positive findings and improvement areas that I will cover in the next pages. And here's the methodology. 4 users were invited individually to the Zoom meeting, and they will participate to perform 2 tasks. I used the think aloud method to let users talk about their thoughts and comments. And also the errors, comments, satisfaction ratings were observed and recorded during the test. So here are some positive findings. First, clear list of all categories. All users expressed the impression that they like the clear list of all categories, and these classifications would be a great help while visiting a city. And second, users were able to prevent errors when booking an order. All users expressed the impression that they would fill out basic information and check the number of travelers before payment. Third, users were able to find posts from local travelers. All users expressed the impression about that. Also, there are some negative findings. First, single recommendation results to misunderstandings. From the homepage, 2 participants thought the app only recommended trips. So I inserted more sections to recommend restaurants and things to do. And second, ambitious entry to a traveler's information. 3 participants could not find the entry to see the traveler's information. One user wanted to contact the traveler by typing saying something, but failed. So I make the entry more clearer, differentiate making reviews with their content. And third, the order of choosing days do not follow users' habits. The 2 participants do not want to select days before saying different activities. So for the searching process, I show the activity first and then let users to choose days inside the certain activity. Here's my persona. One of my target user, Juicy, is a busy lady. She is a content and wants to do outdoor activities at weekends or holiday, but she does not have some reliable or interesting trip plans. So she wants to find interesting travel plans according to her schedule, know latest activities nearby and make reservations, connect with local travelers and make friends, and also share travel experiences with others. Here's her journey map. She wanted to see an activity like a show in New York City, but the reservation process cost her too much time and it was too hard to find local travelers. So here's some opportunities. I will show different classification of things to do, make the reservation process simple, and differentiate travelers by location. After the usability test for the competitive app TripAdvisor, I have learned some lessons. The first, 3 participants expressed a question about the map function. They would like to use the app to see if there were some interesting things nearby. So I decided to add the map function to my final prototype. And also, it only shows posts from official sites. So participants would not see any posts from real travelers. So they thought this app was unreliable. Here is a summary of all issues that I have found in the pages and recommendations. You can also see the ease of fixing here. And here's 2 tasks. First, you are in New York now. You want to reserve for a latest activity at weekends so you could relax at work. The second, you are in New York now. You want to contact with a local traveler so that you can go outside with him or her next time. Here is a user flow I made to understand how users will complete these tasks. And here's the legend for severe ratings. From users' operations, I have found some problems and show the ratings from low to high. Here's a user profile that I interviewed for users from the target group, and here are their basic information. And here's links to my prototypes, both tested and final version. And thank you for your time.